Florida small businesses, listen up. Did you know 90% of startups fail because of weak ads? But here's the secret. Google Ads can make you a local legend overnight. Imagine your business popping up right when customers search for what you offer. Start with laser-focused keywords. Think like your customer. What are they typing? Don't just guess. Use Google's keyword planner to find gold. Now, here's the twist. Mobile users are your treasure chest. Over 60% search from phones. Optimize for mobile or lose those clicks. Next, eye-catching ads matter. Use clear calls to action like call now or get a free quote to grab instant attention. And don't forget location targeting. Only show ads to Florida folks. Want to stretch every dollar? Use dayparting. Show ads only during your business hours for max impact. Track, tweak, and repeat. Check your Google Ads dashboard daily. Tiny changes lead to big wins. Ready to turn clicks into customers? Your Florida business deserves to shine. What's stopping you from launching your first Google Ads campaign today?